It's me, Rosy Gaming, and Joanna Banana will be in the background. Today we're going to be playing a char obby, and if she wants to join, she can. Okay, so it looks like these are checkpoints, not killing things. So yeah, I just learned that. Get rid of that. Ooh, okay, got that. I don't know what that's for. Turn that down, Joe. Thank you. Do you want to join again? Because when we keep trying to play, it like disconnects her. Can you join? Or no? She's not answering me. The frick? Ah! That was crazy, guys. It was like pushing me. Oh gosh, I hate these things. She's watching YouTube. Ah! I fell! Dang it! Of course they watch YouTube. They're watching my channel on YouTube right now. Dummy. It looks like we're on stage 11. Use this key to open the door. Give me the fucking key. Oh. Okay. What's that? There, what's this over there? We're done. Carefully. Stage 15. Oh, it looks like we're at the hard part. So it looks like we're at easy. This is a wraparound. Oh, yeah, they're easy. Kind of. Sometimes they're hard. They're like big blocks between each other. Oh, gosh. Ah! Okay, I just fell. Ah! No, I fell! Wait, I respawned. Oh, okay. Sorry for King Tut Sr. in the background. Seriously? Yeah, King Tut Sr. is our dad. And King Tut Jr. is our brother. Yep. So that makes our dad King Tut Sr. Our brother is He's like 5. Oh, it's a jump booster. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh, these are hard. Okay. We're almost to the next house thing, whatever you call them. A jig! Oh man, I fell. I'm at level 25. Wouldn't be laughing, Joanna can't even do this. Joanna can't even do this. And Joe, I think you spelled your name wrong. If I do say so myself. Karate. And guys, our goal is 100 subscribers. Yeah, we got new precious. Okay, now we're actually at easy. The last one was easy effortless. So now we're actually at easy. Okay. Oh gosh, killing things. That was kind of easy, alright. Stepping it up, huh? Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay. How do you not shut up? Just kidding. That was so mean. Oh gosh, it's windy outside. And we're going outside today. Yay. And Lenny Minnie is our mom. Stop talking. Stop talking. Just kidding. Okay. Stop smacking me. It hurts. What if I smack you across the face, though? What the heck? Okay. No, I don't want you to be happy. I want you to shut up. Just kidding. Same. Let's both not talk. I forgot the spawn thing. Oh my gosh. Stop. I'm making a video. YouTube video, right? Me too. It's so soft. It's like a gray brown. Well, in the light, it's gray, but when it's nighttime, it's like brown. It's creepy and pretty cool. Oh, jump here, it says. Oh gosh, I fell. Please turn that down. Thank you. I'm making a video. Okay, let's go do that. Okay, we did it. Stop. Joanna, go upstairs. Yep, I said her real name. No. We're at easy medium. How? Yeah, it's her real name. You're supposed to say your real name, right? No. Oops. Haha. We're gonna try to get to Omega. Or at least a difficult. Yeah, I'm not going. Yeah, Joanna's right here. I'm not doing it. Or two. Oh, no. Just kidding, she's not Joanna. That's just her username. Yeah. But anyways, we probably will do, talking about like names, we will probably do a face reveal at like, I don't know. 16? 16? That's a lot of years away. Yep. Yep. Nobody cares. Okay, anyways, guys, we'll probably do a face reveal at, what do you guys think? Not 100 subscribers. Not 1,000 either. Maybe 10,000. If we get 10,000 subscribers, that'd be easier. Oh gosh, I fell again. Well, guys, we're at 51. For like the stage of completing the obby. Well, anyways, guys, let's keep going. Dad, turn it down. Do you hear him in the background? He just said, shut your face. Hey, JoJo. You can shut up. You can shut up too. You? What? Dad, this is a family-friendly video. Yeah. Dad. The friend. Now he's getting the cuddle. Don't be climbing on the couch like that. Yeah, don't climb on the couch, JoJo. Don't even move your head. Okay, guys. I don't know what was happening. Oh, gosh dang it! You know. Can we skip a stage? No, we can't. Dad! You. You don't want to know. You would when? Well, no. Yeah, that's disgusting. Ew. What? I don't like weights. The frick? The frick? What does that mean? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna stop the video here. If you want a part 2, I will be doing a part 2 tomorrow. And press the subscribe button and that like button if you like this video. And yeah, join Rosy Squad today to get free Robux. Yeah, use start code Rosy. And buy my roses. And wait. Turn on notifications if you want to see more. But anyways, buy my roses.